Welcome to our quick guide on the Sitemap Properties panel. This powerful tool helps you manage all the details of your sitemap efficiently. With the Page Properties panel, you can easily rename pages, add links, notes, and even customize colors to keep your sitemap organized and user-friendly. Let's explore the main features. Firstly, you can clone or delete any page with just a click. The Properties panel includes 4 data tabs: Info, Files, Feedback, and Page Metrics. In the Info tab, you can add notes, links, page types, sections, diagrams, and more. This helps provide context and keeps everything clear. Link pages to live URLs for a seamless connection between plan structure and actual content. Use page type icons to distinguish different pages and enhance clarity. Organize your site's layout with sections and optimize user experience with diagrams. Remember, you can also attach relevant documents, allow collaborators to leave feedback directly on pages, and track performance with Google Analytics. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.